Hey guys, Mitchell from Plugged here, and today I'm going to be running you through how to set up tasks on Plug CLI for Amazon, our newest site added to the bot. So make sure to update if you haven't. The first thing you want to do is go into the accounts folder that's now there in app data. And I already have my real one there, but you're going to want to create a new text document in this folder. I'm just going to name it test so I can show you guys what you need to enter into it. Open up the document, and you're going to want to put in your account information for Amazon username, colon, password. And then if you want to do multiple for that profile group, just add more on the line below and so on. Once you do that, save it and go to create task. Choose Amazon from the site list. For profiles, you can just select any profile as Amazon is going to use the default payment profile on your account on the site since it won't use the profile from the actual bot. So just click anyone there. Choose your proxies list and then choose your account list. I'm going to choose the real one so you guys can see actual checkout using the bot. For your product ASIN, you're going to want to head over to Amazon. I just have a controller here, and it's going to be the letters and numbers right after /DP. So go ahead and copy that. That's the Amazon like ID SKU. So enter it into there, and then press enter. The product offer ID right now I'm going to leave it blank, but we're going to have a list of these in the server under the guide section once we collect the offer IDs we want to offer. So just hit enter. Price cap, I'm going to put 100. Obviously, you can do different, and then you're going to want to choose your list by hitting enter, or your account by hitting enter. And then I'm just going to name it Amazon test. So then you're going to go over to start task after you create it. You're going to see the task you just created. Press enter on it. It's going to log you in using our request-based login. It's going to find the product, get all of the information, add it to cart, go to checkout, and then submit the checkout, and then you'll see payment successful, and they'll send a webhook to your webhook you have in your config file. So yeah, that's basically how to set up an Amazon task using Plug CLI. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to open a ticket in the Discord.